This is what happens right after July 4th celebration at Moana Park.
No, they're just like, it's different. And I was like, yeah.
Wait, what was this telling me to work?
Oh, I think I got it.
Oh, that was it?
Look at all the people. Check it out. Yeah. This is what happens when July 4th happens in Moana Park or Magic Island. They close off the street and we have this long sleeping line. Wow. Over 100,000 people crossing the street. Traffic is stopped. Bus is loaded. Going home. So yeah. That's what it is, folks. So now, back to walking to the car. And so, about almost a mile walk just to get to the car. And traffic situation pretty bad, especially if you're stuck in the mall. And this is how the mall parking lot looks like. Insanity. They closed off all the roads and these people are expecting to get out of the mall? I don't think so. No way. You're best to turn off your car, wait 30 minutes later, because this will last at least a good hour. Yeah. It's like Gridlock at the Moana Shopping Center. They're crazy. Turn off your cars. Wasting gas. So a majority of the bridges are pretty much clogged up. Check it out. That bridge, there's another bridge back there. This is another bridge. Totally loaded. Yeah. You have all this chaos in parking lot. It's insane. Turn off your engines. Because there is no cars on the road. Ooh, this is insane. Nobody's getting out. It's crazy.
what? Hey, Gab. Wait, I see you.
You said what?
Yep. Parking lots are gridlock. I don't think so, man. Ooh. 21 window bus. Right there, folks. Oh, dude. That's a nice bus. And it went. Nice bus, nice bus. Release the hose. Come on, release the hose. Yes. It's about time. Fucker. Yeah. I think these guys are better off turning off their engines, but I don't know. It's insane. Nice dub. And here's the traffic, folks. Even though if it's a green light, yeah. I don't think so, man. Yeah. K-Twin, if you guys are wondering where they broadcast out of. K-Twin, Channel 2 TV. Nice tower. Nice. Nice ollie. Aftermarket lights. Okay. Yes, HPD doing their job. It's insane. There's a 21 window bus, my friends. Check it out, check it out. Could be 23. Safari windows, I believe. There you have it, folks. The chaos and insanity of trying to get out of the parking